What is going on, y'all? It's your boy LS254, man, back for another one. It is still March, so we got April, May. The rest of, well, we're probably about halfway through March. So March, April. Anyway, we probably got like 3.5 months, some shit like that. Yeah, I ain't even see that shit. I was spraying that fucking etch primer on that bitch, and yep, that shit ran down like the Jordan. Anyway, so as I've been uploading videos, man, I've been watching the feedback, etc., etc. That's epoxy primer. I don't know. I feel like I laid that shit like hella thick. I mean, I guess you want it high build, but I don't know. Like, how the hell am I even supposed to say? Am I supposed to say that? Like, it's damn near like a paint job. Look at that. But maybe I should just epoxy primer the whole car and rock that as a color. But nah, real talk though. After suggestions of my mentors, Black Rain, Underground Paint King, Sprayway, everybody, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna end up taking that bad boy to the muscle. Up here, I know we good because that shit was done when we did the roof. But here, down, doors, all of that, like to the muscle. I just hope that we don't run into no surprises. Cause like I said, it is gonna be some body work that has to be done right there, which we knew because we felt it. I don't know why it's that big ass dip right there, but yeah, that's definitely there in full effect. So like I said, y'all know I'll be work schedule been kind of crazy. I've just been trying to shoot something here, shoot something there as I can. What I did get, I got another video I gotta shoot. What I did shoot, or what I did get was, where's that bag? Did I take it in the house? Hold on. All right, we back. I found it. It was in the trunk of this car. I was like, where the hell is that bag at? So yeah, on one of the more recent escapades, purchases, bought some tack cross. And we also bought some 36 grit sandpaper. For what I showed y'all over here, I mean, we got down, that was knocked down using, I think it was 80 grit. So we put a 36 on there. It should be pretty effortless to get it down to the metal. So I got my inline. I got my inline sander over here somewhere. There it is. It's a little late at night, but I'm gonna close the garage. Get my damn inline, and then I'm gonna come just right here, and and I'm see how much effort or effortless it is to just go ahead and take that down to the metal. And then we'll probably just start working the rest of the car. I'll work this back end. Back quarter panel. And around here. And then of course finish up what we did up there. And then have to take the window back up. Because what it was, like it was kind of so cold that then when we was doing this, like it took a little bit longer to dry. But like I said, we'll tape it up and then do that. But for now, I'm gonna put that 36 on her and see how effortless it is to go ahead and knock this down the metal. Cause I mean, honestly, if we was gonna 80 grit it anyway, I mean, what's a little bit more? I guess I am kind of scared about what I'm gonna find up under there, other than a whole lot of layers of paint. We did find that spot there, but we can do all the body work. No big deal. I think we got enough time. Cause this is March, April. So by the end of March, I can have the car down the metal and then epoxy primed, then do the body work, and then go from there. So let me shut that down, get my mask, and I cut it back on. All right, let me turn some light on for you. So on this side, as you can see, 36 grit. Like it's 36 grit. I ain't gonna lie to you. That shit is barely doing anything, bro. Like, I don't know if it's because of all the paint, etc., etc., etc. But yeah, 36 ain't working. I'm gonna have to take that shit back, cause yeah. Let me show you what I did. So this is like a combination of 36 and 80, both trying to work together to try to do it right. So then I bring out the old handy dandy strip disc on this, and I gotta say, like, it feels like it's a whole lot less. There's more, what's the word I'm looking for? It's more results. You know what I'm saying? It actually is stripping that paint off of there like it ain't. I mean, it's stripping it off there like it ain't shit. To be honest. Stripping it off of there like it ain't shit. I gotta say, and see, Loco was just telling me about that SCT joint from Harbor Freight. And I told Loco I didn't need that shit. I did. Loco, I think you might be right, my boy. I would save a lot of time, more or less, if I was covering a larger area. Cause I think those drums is like 4 inches wide with this strip disc. You know what I'm saying? That's like your surface area right there. And the strip disc works very effectively versus 36 grit, 80 grit, any of that. just want to tell the people that had this car before me, why after just a couple paint jobs didn't y'all strip this shit down, my boy? Because, I mean, this is layers upon layers upon layers. So, yeah. But, you know, like Sprayway say, body work is work. Body work is work. So, I think economically speaking, is that Loco was right. As much as I be trying to not buy some stuff for what I'm doing, I think that it would really come in handy. Speed up the process, being that we gotta go to bare metal anyway, and go from there. So, I hate it when Loco's right. Because when and let me tell you why I hate when Loco is right. When Loco is right, that means it's a tool that gotta be bought. That means I'm spending some more money. I think I told Loco, I was like, man, I ain't running no shop like you. Man, Loco, I don't need all that. See, that's what that did. And then let me show you what to do with that strip disc. All right, so I didn't have a timer or anything, but maybe a minute or so.